In this video, you will learn to calculate the rate of reaction that occurred in the photosynthesis lab. Mathematically, rate is equal to the mathematical function of slope. Excel will calculate slope for you, and it's a fairly simple process. In order to calculate the slope, you are going to utilize the x-axis data as the time data and the y-axis data, which is the percent transmittance data. So let's get started. You'll want to place the slope or rate value underneath the column of data for which you are calculating it. So take your mouse and click on a box underneath the data. In this case, we are going to calculate the slope or the rate for the percent transmittance change in the blue light. So I've clicked on this box here. Then you'll go up to your subject line or text line here and click on the Insert Function button, which is the little f of x. That will give you a menu. On this menu, usually you will see the most recently used as the category. If that is the case, you may have slope already on your list of functions. If not, click on the drop-down, go down to Statistical and click on it, and then scroll down until you find slope. Click on slope, and then click on OK. Now you have a new window that asks you to enter values for which the slope or the rate will be calculated. For your known y values, there's a little box next to the text line. Click on it, and it will show you a function arguments window. What you'll want to do here is go over to your y value data, which is the percent transmittance data. Click and drag to select all of it. Then in the text line, click on the little box at the end. You've now selected your y data or your percent transmittance data. You'll now do the same for the x data. Click on the little box next to the text line. Go over to your x data, click and drag, and then in your function arguments window, click on the little box. Then in this window, click OK. Notice that your slope or rate value has now appeared on your spreadsheet. This value represents the percent transmittance change over time. That is the actual unit for the rate.